Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Let's dive right into it. Right now I am on CoinMarketCap. We are going to be going over DEGA, specifically the Cardano rewards update for the DEGA ISPO. So let me get things a little bit situated, and while I do that, I want you to subscribe if you haven't already, and also like the video. That's not only going to help myself out, but also you all as well. So last video, I believe we were at just over 40,000. I'm not even sure if we eclipsed 45,000. So on this episode, we are going to go over our reward. So in order to find this, and again, you have to be participating in the DEGA ISPO. So you're going to go to dega.io, and then you're going to click under ISPO. You're going to go to rewards dashboard. Once you're there, you can scroll down, put in your stake key. If you want to know how to do it step by step, you're going to go to Crypto Moose, this channel, type in DEGA, and I recommend you watch this video, the one in red. So that will talk a little bit more about the project, and I will show you in that video how to stake and how to do those things. So we have tons of videos on DEGA. There are tons of cool videos, so definitely check that out. If you guys want to see my slap shot, I got a video of that too. So if you guys want to see a really nice slap shot, I got that. All right, so let's dive right into this. Let's get the calculator open as well. So this I'm going to move over, and we are going to do some calculations. So let's see what we're at right now. So it looks like I've staked 23,000, 27 million. Okay, so there's a lot of DEGA out there as well. Okay. So it looks like, I'm not sure if was that 50 mil? Those are all the accumulated rewards. So there's a lot. And the stake is at what, 23. So it'd be nice to see that higher. So let's take a look at our wallet. So let's start off with the top. So that's going to be with 21 ADA. So we got 16.75. So let's do 16 plus 223 plus 89. Let's just do 90 because we're rounding things up. 33,478. 2,079 plus 427 plus 1,234 plus 233 plus 7,195. And that gives us 44,975. So just under 45,000. Dang, that's not bad. So we're going to add that up again just to make sure. So I have 44,975. 44,975. This is a good time for you to comment down below. How many DEGA do you have? So I'll do it again this way. So we have 7,195. We'll just double check. Plus 233 plus 1,234 plus 427 plus 2,079 plus 33,478 plus, let's just say 90 plus 223 plus 16. So yeah, I don't know if that's the exact same or not, but we got 45,000 basically. Let's just call it 45,000. So comment down below. Do you have more DEGA than the Moose? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if you guys do. So there's a lot going on with DEGA. What I do want to remind you to all do is to check out the DEGA Discord. So they have a lot of cool activities and things happening there. So I'm going to pull up the DEGA Twitter. Shout out to my buddies there. So yeah, really cool team. I've been a part of a couple of their talks and I've been listening in. So I'm a big fan of DEGA and what they're doing. And by the way, Alice in Wonderland, the audiobook came out and I was very impressed. So this is their Twitter and definitely go to their Discord. There you can participate in quite a few things there. So this is their Twitter. There's a lot of cool activity going on. So check out their lives, their live spaces. These are great. These are really, really cool. So the team, they have so much to share. And again, like get into the multi-chain ISPO. We show you how to do that. And they do give me some shout outs every once in a while. So there you go. Check out those videos. Let me know if you're in the DEGA ISPO. If you want more information, go to Crypto Moose, type in DEGA, and you can get all the info you need. So that is a quick rewards update. Just under 45,000 tokens. I think the goal was to get to 50,000. So we have a month left. We're going to do it. We're going to do it. So that being said, Moose is loose. Check out the link tree. We have a free Cardano mini course. So definitely participate in that. In 60 minutes, you learn what is ADA, how to set up a wallet, how to do everything when it comes to buying, selling NFTs. It'll get you up to speed. It's completely free. And we do have free or paid courses as well. So we have the Simple Guide, NFT for Beginners. These courses are really cool. I've been putting in a lot of time and effort. And yeah, check it out. So we're going to be doing more content this week. We'll see you all in the next one.